July 26, 2018. The market is slightly lower, except the triple Qs. The triple Qs is down quite a bit, down about 1.5%, all because of Facebook. Facebook had earnings yesterday and it got destroyed. Revenues missed, beat on EPS, but missed on revenue. We got quite a few to the downside today and quite a few to the upside. It could only fit this. We have a huge amount of movers today, so it should be okay. It's either going to be really good or really bad, so we'll see. I'm going to take a short on TAL here at the ask if it gives it to us here, and we're in at 35.05. Daily is it's okay for a short. It's not great because look at it here. It consolidated here and then it had a rally. Then it crashed, dropped, had another rally, another crash today. But it hit the 200 and it blew past it. So that tells me it's pretty weak. It's coming back, but it could be the buy the dippers coming in. So intraday, gaps down. You got a bunch of the buy the dippers here that are going to come in, and hopefully it'll turn around here and come crashing back down. Target on this one, I like 34.50. Stop, I don't know. Stop around over 35.50, 36 area. TAL. This one is having me for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Got in it right here and has taken off. Has not given me a chance to get out. Market is on the rise. But maybe if this one comes out of juice right here, come back down and I can come out of this one around at least 35.50. But if it has momentum to the downside, then it'll just keep going down. It's a big mover. NXPI, I'm going to take this at the ask here for a short if it gives it to us. All right. We're in for 100. All right, we're full in. I don't like this bottoming tail here on this daily because it's a pretty big one. But it's at the top end of the bottoming tail, so that's a good spot for it to turn around, and here it comes. We took this one yesterday a couple times. It's a good sized mover, so got to be careful with this. I'm looking to get at least a few cents off of this one. See if I can get it at least under 92.80 or so. Stop should be over the highs here, 1 point. TAL, all right, it's coming back to us here. We'll see if we get out with a loss or if I wait till it goes down to 35 and lower. Looks pretty good here. NXPI, I'm going to try to take it here at the 90, see if it gives it to us. Let's take a look at this thing up close. All right, we're out. We're out for about close to 40 cents, about 38 cents. And TAL, it's coming our way now. We got squeezed right there, but it came right back to us. And now we're right around entry. Let's take a look at this thing up close. I might come out of this one down here, but just because right when it breaks 35, I'm going to come out of it. Should be a clean break if it breaks. TAL, just sitting here. There's a real battle going on around this area. But if it starts going up, it's going to be a good size squeeze too. I might come out of it here, I'm not sure. All right, big battle at 35 here. It tries to break it, doesn't. If it doesn't break it, I'm going to have to come out of it, but I think it'll break it. A lot of orders beneath that 35. Here it comes. Does not want to break. If it doesn't break soon, I'm coming out of it. I'm gonna come out of it right here. It's not breaking, so it's gonna be a massive squeeze if I don't come out of it. Small gain on it, a couple of cents, but I was losing quite a bit on this one. Oh, and it broke. It broke finally. I missed it. I missed that. That's all right. I was losing big on that one, held out, and I came out slightly on top. I'll pick up UAA at the bid here for a long. All right, we're in. We're in 2169. Daily has been had been strong, really strong, and then it had a decline for a while. And then today it had earnings, and it beat, so it skyrocketed. It just went right up to 2270. Then it had a sell-off, and now the market's moving up. So I'm thinking this one's going to go up to at least 22, maybe 22, over 22. So we'll see if we can get anything off this one. I'm going to try a short here on NLSN at the ask. Got 100. All right, we're full in. Full in at 2290 NLSN. Day looks great for a short. It's consolidating up here for a little bit. A little choppy consolidation here, but between the 30 and the 32. And then it dropped. Dropped today. Earnings. Must have been earnings. Big, huge gap down. And flushed at the open. A lot of people started buying it here a little bit. Now it's starting to turn around. So I'm thinking it's just going to turn around and go back down to at least 22 again. See if I can get at least 50 cents on this one. Stop will be over the highs here. All right, let's take a look at this thing up close. It's starting to work out. Not sure if it's going to move fast, but it's got a lot of volume, so could. NLSN, there we go. Nice big drop here. See if we have any continuation here. All right, NLSN, I'm going to come out right here. Come out right there. Take that. That's what I was looking for. About 40. Oh, and it's still dropping. Still dropping. About 38 cents on that one. I'll take that. All right, let's look at UAA. This one's not working out so well. It's not doing anything, actually. It's just sitting there. Market's just sitting there too, so I think it's waiting for the market. Market has all the signs that it's going to move up. So if this moves up, we should be okay. UAA, I took that right here. Just got out of it. Just got out of UAA for about, I don't know, 11 cents or so. It's not moving fast enough for me. I'm going to take a long here on NXPI right here at the bid if it gives it to me. All right, second trade on it. Got in 100. All right, we're full in. NXPI, I like the way it's been sitting here at this area here. Had a lot of buying pressure at the open in this area. Then it went all the way up here, up to 94, and then sold off back to down here. Now we might see a little pain here, I think. But once this turns around, you're going to get a nice squeeze. Because there's a lot of people short this stock today, I think. So I think once it moves up past a certain area, you're going to get a real nice fat green candle. NXPI, took it long right around here and it just collapsed. Did not give me a chance to come out. Now it's coming back to us here. I think it's going to squeeze really good. I'm going to take a long on QCOM here at the bid if it gives it to me. Looks really good here. All right, we're in. We're in QCOM at 61.85. Day looks great for a long. Look at that. It's been trying to climb up for the past 3 months. Nice big rally here, then a sell-off, then another rally, and then we had earnings and it got blasted off yesterday. Gaps up intraday, has a sell-off from the highs, and now I think it's gonna turn around down here and go back up to 62.50 possibly. Stop should be right below here, but I'm gonna give a little leeway on this one because it looks good here. QCOM, been holding QCOM for a little bit here, and it's coming up to us here. It's looking good here. QCOM, we're gonna see if we can get another push up over 62.40. QCOM, I'm gonna try to take it here at the 34 if it gives it to us. Let's take a look at this thing up close. All right, we're out. We're out for about 50 cents on that one. I could have held out just a little bit longer, but I'll take that 50 cents there. Only one we got left here is NXPI. I still think it's going to squeeze up. It's been slowly drifting downward, so it hasn't given me a chance to get out yet. It gave me a chance here, but it looked like it was going to squeeze, and it didn't. But I think before the day is over, this sucker will squeeze up and shoot. Just because of this bottoming tail here. It's a really nice bottoming tail. NXPI, been holding this one for a bit, and it's starting to squeeze up. I'm going to hold it for a little bit longer. I think we can get at least up to 92. Then I'll assess, see how hard it can squeeze. NXPI, this is what I was waiting for. Nice big fat squeeze. Let's see if we can get it to at least entry. If we can get it to 92 and over, that'll be great. That's the advantage of holding smaller share size. You can let the stock breathe a little bit more than you would with a large amount of shares. You can't. I think it'll blow over the top here. I'm going to think about coming out of this one after it gets over 92 with a loss, but much smaller loss. I'm going to come out here at the 92 if it gives it to me. All right, we're out. We're out for a loss of about 25 cents or so, but I'll take that loss. I'll take that 25-cent loser. Just because I was losing on this one big and it came back to us here. It's probably going to go up higher, but the safer bet is after a nice big squeeze like that, it hit a whole number, 92, chances are it's going to turn around and go right back down. I could probably short this here, but I'm not going to. I'm going to call it a day here. Anyways, we're up 161. Let's take a look at the trades. Mostly all winners, small winners, and one loser. One loser on NXPI and our biggest winner on QCOM. And that's it. Thanks for watching.